Just another lovely, sunny, wonderful day here in Orlando, Florida. Dom, what's the weather report?
The weather report is, it gonna rain.
All right, so we are about to do the Behind the Seeds tour, which is the behind the scenes of living with the land, presented by
Chiquita Banana.
These are our official name tags, and it's got a hidden Mickey in it. The first greenhouse of the day. So for almost my entire life, I thought a pickle was completely separate from a cucumber. I didn't know that a cucumber was a pickle. Are you ready?
Yeah. So most plants, to protect themselves from predators, they will give off chemical signals. They'll either smell really bad or taste really bad. Stanley does something very different. He gives off a physical response. So if a bug was gonna fly by and be like, hey, I really wanna eat you, it'll land on Stanley.
Oh my God.
He'll close up,
what?
lay dead, and be like, you don't wanna eat me, there's better things to eat, I swear. The bright green stuff is a little...
All right, Katie, it was a blast. All right, the behind the scenes tour is a lot like Jared. A 10 out of 10. You get half off as a cast member. It was only 12 bucks. Definitely worth it. How was touching Stanley?
It was amazing. He didn't want me to touch him, so he kind of curled up away from me. I know I'm hideous, but it's fine.
Now guys, there's a question that you guys always ask me. What happened to your Disney College program room at Pirate Lord Ben? If you guys don't remember Pirate Lord Ben, here's a clip of the man, the myth, the legend. Guys, I just walked into the apartment. Ben, what are you doing?
To hold up my cell phone, you see, just like, you slip this in, and then you tighten down the ear. Hi, Kevin. Can I help you, Kevin?
Alright, so currently I have to pack up for Disneyland right now because we're leaving in a couple hours, but Ben is actually on his way right now. He's visiting all the way from Seattle. Jared, it's time. He's here. Oh God, where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Okay, now Ben the Pirate Lord is here. I have not seen him in probably a year and a half.
I'm gonna miss you. Are you gonna miss having this camera in your face like every other day?
What the hell is he driving? Seriously, Ben? You have a beard? What the f? You actually look like the pirate from Pirates of the Caribbean now. Show me this ride. It's a Cadillac. We all don't make enough to afford a Cadillac. Just look at that mirror.
Oh yeah.
It just says elegance. Do you have booty warmers?
I have booty coolers.
Oh.
Please.
You became one of them. Why did you become one, Ben?
Because I might want to visit multiple times and it seems like, you know, a reasonable thing to do.
You just miss us. That's what's going on.
Whatever you want to think, Kevin.
There he goes. Here's our special line.
Shiver me timbers, Ben the Pirate Lord!
You know what he's going to do with that, right?
Disney has brought a band just for Ben, for Ben's arrival. Are you ready to take your first purple wall pic with me?
No.
Okay, Ben, smile for the camera. No. Alright, I'm a little upset with Disney. Their MILF sign has gotten very small. It's a piece of plywood, the new sign. It used to be all up there and it's not working.
It's not your magic.
It's not working. Are you having a magical day?
So magical.
Gotta hear your best pirate impersonation.
Arrgh.
Are you nervous to see Keith again?
Not really.
Alright, Keith.
What?
Take my hand.
Why?
Hey, Keith.
Huh? Hey! How are you?
You're a coordinator?
Yeah.
How the Congratulations.
Thank you.
Keith, let's hear your best pirate impersonation.
Arr.
I know, Ben, when you're working pirate stroller parking, what would you do?
Park the strollers, organize them.
Would you hide them?
Only if they were very badly parked.
There's Ben's homeland. Pirates.
My old office, yeah.
Welcome to Pirates of the Caribbean, Pirate Lord Ben.
You're about to go on an adventure to help Jack Sparrow and his crew find the 7 treasures of the sea.
There is treasure hidden all over Adventureland, and each map takes about 10 minutes to do. And when you finish 2 maps, you get a fast pass to Pirates. So, super fun.
Silent night.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Going right there.
What?
Let's go.
This is the fastest I have ever seen. Ben is literally running there. Okay, so this is the first spot.
It's a cannon. Blackbeard believes he's under attack.
Wait, your best pirate accent. Come on, Ben.
If you
No.
Got it. Oh, the ring's over there. The bell goes off. It smells like Halloween Horror Nights right now. Alright, Ben, where do we go off next? Okay, Ben, why is there cocoa merchandise in a pirate's?
I've known lads trapped in bottles before, but not on account of dark magic. Touch your talisman to the carving of the ship's wheel and wooden cabinet.
Hit it, rub it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We found the treasure.
Oh, it's sinking.
We surrender. Look down there.
That was impressive, but what's even more impressive? Where are we going next? Where are we going next, Ben?
We're going to the seashore. We might persuade Calypso to aid us against Blackbeard. Ask for her help by tapping the sand dollar.
Oh, tap it.
Come on.
You gonna talk to me? Oh.
Blackbeard.
Jared, do you have any peanuts we can throw at it? No peanuts to throw at it?
Very well, Irish.
We're on the hunt for the booty, come on. And now we're back in the gift shop, long time no see. Ooh.
Yes.
Oh.
The treasure of the Mediterranean's power is mine. How dare you steal it from me?
Finished everything?
Yeah, we just finished this map. There's 4 other maps. 5 maps total.
Oh, that was easy.
Yeah, they're fun.
If this be the treasure you seek, that's good, because this is all I got. Take it.
The man, the myth, the legend is about to return. Ben, are those non-slip?
No, I don't work here anymore. Where are the dead mermaids? Where are the empty chalice box?
What do you think of your girl, the redhead?
No, what really actually gets me is that they replaced the voice actor for the pirate, because that had been here forever. Those 2 voice actors had been the same for ages and ages and ages, and they just cut it so they could replace it with this crap.
Hey!
We want
send
the
them
redhead.
him to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
Goodbye, Magic Kingdom. Goodbye. Okay, well that's actually Pirates in California. We'll get to the California videos in next week's video.
Hey, no, no, hey, no.
How does that shirt make you feel?